Are you looking to add a personal touch to your iPhone notifications? Imagine hearing a specific sound and knowing exactly who's texting you without even looking at your phone. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to set a custom notification sound for individual contacts on your iPhone. It's super simple, and you'll love how personalized it feels. From iOS 18, you have an option to set a custom notification sound for a contact on your iPhone. Real easy. You can set any sound or any part of a song. You will not need a PC, a MacBook, or paid apps. We will use only apps that are common for all iPhones and are installed by Apple. So, let's get started. Before we start to set a custom notification sound on your iPhone, we need to get the ringtone. If you already have the audio file, you can send it on your iPhone as you normally do. For this video, we will use a sound from the internet. So, let's open Safari and find a sound that we can use as a ringtone. I will write on Google Free Sound Ringtone. I will open a link from Google and download the file so we can use it as a tone. We have the sound saved in the Downloads folder. Please note that if you have a full melody, you need to trim the sound to the part you want. You can leave only 30 seconds of the song. You can use any audio edit software on the App Store if you have a full melody. Now let's see how we can set a custom ringtone on iPhone. Open the GarageBand app. This app is a common app installed on your iPhone. If you do not find it, enter into the App Store and install the app. Now we are on the GarageBand. You need to swipe on the left or right until you reach the section Audio Recorder. Let me show you. Now we are on Audio Recorder. Tap on this zone. Now you see an option to record something. We will use another option from this page. On the top, you have a bar. Tap on the third button from the left. This will show you multiple tracks. Now in this section, you have also multiple buttons on the top. Tap on the second button from the right. Here you will have some Apple loops, some sounds that you can use if you want. But we are going to use our own audio file. Tap on Files from the menu that has appeared. Now tap on Browse Items from the Files app. Now you need to go to where you have saved the file. If you just saved the file, it should appear as the first file in the Recent tab. I will tap on that ringtone file. Now you see that the file has appeared here. Here comes the trick part. With your finger tap and hold on the file and move it on the track like I do now. We have now the ringtone created. Now let's continue. Tap on the first button from the left, that is the Save button. Tap on My Songs. You see that the file has been saved. After the file is saved, tap and hold your finger on the file. A menu will appear. Tap on Share. Now from these three options, select Ringtone. Write a name for your ringtone and tap Export. After the ringtone is exported, tap on Use Sound As. Now tap on Assign to Contact. The list of contacts will appear. Search the person or select the person from the list who you want to assign the ringtone. Now you can assign the tone as the ringtone or as text tone. For this, select Assign as Text Tone. Now you have set a custom notification for a contact. If you want to change the ringtone of that contact, you can edit it as you normally do from the Contacts app. Let me show you how. Tap on Contacts. Select the person who you want to set a custom notification sound. Tap the Edit button. Scroll down until you find a text tone. Now tap on that and select the new tone that you want, and you will be able to edit the custom text tone you set up. And there you have it. Your iPhone is now more personalized than ever. Setting custom notification sounds for contacts is a great way to stay organized and add some fun to your daily routine. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Got a feature you'd like us to cover? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.